All right, welcome to our Tulip coffee kitchen here in Berlin. Very nice to have you. The equipment that we're going to need for our coffee production process: coffee machine, stack light, Tulip edge connector, the Zebra printer, a scanner, a scale, some material, some water, coffee beans, milk and sugar, and of course the Tulip player running on the big screen behind me. Okay, let's get the production process started. I will go ahead and select a production order in the Tulip app that we built. I'm going to start the PO, and after checking if the label is correct, I will print it out. Okay, perfect integration. The printer printed the label I selected. Now I'm going to put the label on my container, which is the FrontWell coffee mug, and now I will be able to identify my product using this code. As you can see, we put a little QR code here and some human readable information below. Okay. The next thing we need to do is allocate the station and the equipment. So for the kitchen, we can just confirm the status, which is currently deallocated, and now it is allocated. We're also allocating some equipment, in this case the coffee machine. So I'm going to select coffee machine 1 in this case, obtain the status information and confirm. All right. Very well, we don't need to select any further equipment, so I'm going to click next. Okay, next step is material takeout. So I have all my materials here, the bill of materials in the system, as you can see here. Okay, let's start, for example, with the coffee beans. We have pre-labeled them, also with a QR code and some information. And when I scan the label, the system will automatically select the item on the list. Now I can proceed to take out and communicate with my scale. Going to turn it on. All right. Put a container on the scale. Very well. Tare and add the coffee beans. My target quantity is 50 grams, so let's see how much that is. Okay, 48, that's good enough. I will confirm the takeout, and now I can add the coffee beans to the coffee machine. Okay, good. The second thing I wanted to add is the water. So I'm going to select next material. I'm going to scan the label on the water container. Again, it's going to select automatically. Go to takeout. Put the container on the scale. There. Now my target quantity is 100 milliliters. So let's see how much we need. Add a bit more. Okay, that's fine. I will confirm the takeout. And I will add it to the coffee machine. Okay, now the coffee machine is ready to go. All materials have been added. So what I'm going to do now is, of course, put our labeled coffee mug under the coffee machine. I'm going to check if the machine is turned on and ready to go. Looks good. And now I'm going to start the process. we added a few more seconds because a good coffee needs to sit for some seconds. Let's see when it's done. Nice. Coffee is ready. Smells good already. Very nice. So I can now also select the storage location if I want to. Let's store the coffee in the warehouse. All right, and continue to the next step. Okay, now some people like milk, some people like sugar. Personally, I would like to add some milk, so I select the option extra milk or sugar. Now again, I need to scan the milk label. This item will be selected, confirm takeout, put the container on the scale, here, and add some milk. For me, just a little bit, just enough, 17 milliliters. Now I confirm the takeout in the system to log what I'm adding to the coffee. And now I can add the milk and finalize the coffee. Okay, very well. I don't need any sugar, so I will select no more milk or sugar. Okay, let's deallocate the station, the kitchen. Okay. We also need to deallocate in this case the station, the one I deallocated earlier was the coffee machine. Now I'm deallocating the station, obviously. So I'm doing that in the system. Okay, now the station is deallocated, and all that's left to do now is close the PO, send the results to quality, and then I can enjoy my coffee.